someone who gives all your earned money like salary or profits from your business to your parents, to your husband, to your wife, or to someone who manages your money and your finances, and you are someone who feel that you are not capable enough of handling your own money and keeping your money and investing your money with total awareness, and you feel like you will spend up everything if you will keep money with yourself. So it's better that it stays with them, and whenever you feel any requirement or any need of money, you just ask them that, hey, can you give me some money because I want to do this or that. Then this video is definitely for you. Please watch this video till the end, and I will be sharing the power of having money, your own money with yourself, and how it can open up so much of doors of possibilities for you, and how it is going to work for you. And if you are watching this video now, then definitely I'm sure that universe also wants you to see this video, because you never know, you are looking for some clarity and this video might give you that. So keep watching this video till the end. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanya Surana, and I like to call myself a connector of possibilities. In this video, I will be connecting you with a possibility that can totally change and shift and transform your life and your reality. And if you were asking for few things from the universe since really long and it was not showing up, then this might be one of the biggest reasons which was actually creating that obstacle in your life. And this is something which is not something which is happening to you. You were doing and choosing something which you were not aware of, that this is how it actually impacts life. And after watching this video, you will be aware enough to understand how it works and how it is not working for you, definitely. So let me share an example with you, which I am actually experiencing a lot these days. As you guys already know, that I consult people around their lifestyle issues, anything related to lifestyle, maybe career, maybe relationship, maybe job, maybe money, maybe health, whatever it is. I do consultation around it, and I guide them with all the possibilities, whatever they can choose, and that can actually shift and transform whatever they are going through. So recently I came up with a few clients, and also I was actually seeing it from last lot of years, but this was so much getting highlighted these days that I thought that I should definitely create a video on this to spread more awareness around this, and it can change your entire reality as well. Most of the times I have seen that people whatever they earn in terms of salary, in terms of business profits or whatever it is, they don't keep that with themselves. Okay, see, investing in places, that's fine, okay, but they don't keep that cash money, or maybe money somewhere in any form, maybe gold, silver, whatever it is. They don't keep the money with themselves, and they give that to their maybe parents, maybe husband, maybe somebody who manages, maybe a head of the family who keeps all the money with themselves. And you actually earn everything, and then you every month or whatever it is, you give it to them, and whenever you require, you ask from them by actually giving all the reasonings why you need it. And if they feel that it's required, then only you get the money, your money by the way, which you earned. And because you gave the power to them to take care of your money, so you have to actually give them all the reasons and justifications and every possible explanation to get that money if you want to invest in yourself or buy anything for yourself. Now, so I'll tell you my story. So when I started earning from the day one, somehow I already knew that I made whatever money I used to make. So my parents were expecting that whenever I'll earn the first money I'll make in my life, I'll come and give them the money, and always I will give them the money, and then I will ask from them whenever whatever is required by giving all the reasons why I need it. But I never did it. Okay, now this is an eye-opener video. I don't know who is watching this video right now, maybe a student, maybe a teenager, maybe a parent, whoever it is. Even a parent is watching this video. आपको भी पता होगा कि आपके पेरेंट्स के साथ भी अगर आपने किया होगा तो आपको कहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम्स आई होंगी. So मैंने I was always aware about it, that this money I have made and I'll keep it. And even if people used to say that I don't know how to keep money, and then I spend everything, still I used to keep it, because if I'll not choose to keep money, how will I exactly know how to manage it? Okay, how I'll take the responsibility of my own earned money? And if this is not the solution, to give away your money to somebody else and they will manage, and then when you require, you only have to ask like a beggar for your own money, and by giving lot of justifications and reasonings, and if they will feel that it is something useful, then you will get the money, otherwise you will not get even your money as well. So this is a kind of thing, and that is one of the reasons, guys, that most of the people, they hate making money. Even if they make money, because they are not enjoying, because they are not using their own money in for themselves in whatever ways. It can be for eating an ice cream, it can be for having a car, it can be having some jewelry, it can be also definitely investing on your self growth, on your self empowerment journey as well. So now, as I told you that I was consulting these clients of mine and a lot of others also, from since last lot of years I am experiencing this, that lot of times people come for they want to upgrade themselves in their life, they want to become more empowered, they want to become more aware and conscious in their life, and I guide them with whatever classes they should do, and maybe what kind of therapies they should go for, and whatever that will whatever they are struggling in their life, that can be resolved because of these classes and whatever information tools these classes have to offer. So most of the time I have seen that they have money, they always tell me that they have money, but that money is with their mother or maybe their father or maybe their husband, and now they are not able to get that money out because according to their whoever that is, parents or husband or whoever it is, it's a money wastage. Now you know what, nobody knows you better than you what will work for you. Okay, there are times which if you have your money, I can't tell you how powerful you will feel all the time. Ask me, whatever I have earned, wherever I have lost money, whatever I have done, I take the responsibility of my money, and that is what making me better in handling money and making me more aware, where should I invest, where should I not, and it makes me more aware around the money thing altogether. And trust me, if I would have given my money to my parents, I would not have been here, even in fact I would not have been alive today. I have invested majority of my money in upgrading myself. I've invested that money on doing classes which have empowered me from within, there was a time I used to run away from camera, and today's date I'm sharing these informations with you with the help of camera. If I would have not kept my money with me, this was not possible. Okay, so when you have your own money, you can use it any way you want. There is a different freedom and freeness in having your own money. So please, if you want to give your parents or anybody, take amount of that money, whatever you earn, a certain percentage, and then give it to them, and that is theirs. Okay, don't expect that they're going to give you back. That is theirs. Okay, but don't give your money to somebody to handle, because you never know that somebody can betray you, that somebody can not give you your only money when you require it the most. And it sometimes it is difficult to explain. For example, there are so many of my clients who are going through a very, very severe mental disbalance, or I can say they are so much into depression and they are not happy in their life. Okay, so according to their parents and partners, they are just behaving insanely, and they don't think that this is a problem and they should invest money into it, because according to them it's a total money waste. Even a lot of my family members also told me when I was investing on myself that I am actually throwing all the money into the fire, and I have gone insane, I am not saving money, I am not doing this, I am not doing that. You know what, guys, when it is about life and death, when it is about that you don't like to live if your life is not changing, nothing is more important than upgrading in your life. And take these words from me, and ask me. And if you know me since long, you know that how I was and what I am, and the journey is still on, and I know each passing day I'm getting better, more aware, more conscious, and that is supporting me in creating my desired life. And nothing is beyond getting more empowered and more conscious. That is that asset and that gift which helps you in creating every area of your life. And if you, in today's date, as I already share these things in my other videos as well, that mostly for your parents and family members and friends, only materialistic things matter. You should have your own car, you should have your own house, you should have a big budget wedding. These are the things, see, I know these things also have an importance, but nothing is beyond you. So when you have, the whole point of creating this video is, if you have your money, you're free to use it. You don't have to beg for your own money to others. If you want to give your parents, please feel free to take a certain amount of your earning, but never give the majority of it to anybody. You are making that money, and if you are not enjoying that money, there will be one day when you will stop enjoying making money, and then you will wonder why are you not making money. So if you are also unhappy with your finances and your money situations and anything related to money, there can be hundreds of reasons and thousands of reasons, but this can also possibly be one of the reasons that you are not enjoying making money. And I would also like to mention one more thing. Sometimes a lot of people are into partnership businesses where they don't withdraw profits. Please withdraw profit. That profit is for you, the time, the energy, whatever you have invested in the business, maybe small amount, maybe huge, whatever it is. I'm not going into details, but please withdraw your profits, have that money, be grateful for that money, that hey, you have invested your time and energy and this is what you got in return. Be happy about it. Don't keep it with somebody else. Sometimes brothers are there in a partnership business and they say that my elder brother handles all the things, and even if I have seen people, even if they are having numbers of factories and businesses and everything, they live on pocket monies and the amount is very small. Okay, they ask for the money whenever is required from their father if it's a family business, or from their elder brother or somebody like that, and they have to give the reasons and justifications all the time before asking for money. And most of the time they don't even ask for money because they don't want to go through that tedious process of explaining why they want money. Sometimes you would like to travel, go on a solo trip or whatever it is. Why the hell would you give any reason to anybody? It's your life. If you are feeling and wanting to do something, please feel free and do that. But how will you do that? Because these things require money. Without money you can't go there, right? And this is so frustrating that when you have your money and it is with somebody and you know that you have to give a lot of reasons to get that money out from them, or maybe even there are high chances when you don't even get any money and then you feel disappointed. Now tell me, will you hate making money or will you love making money in your life more further? Of course, in the long run, you'll start hating, you will lose all the motivation behind creating any money because you're creating it and you're not enjoying it. Then why the hell you will create any money? So, this is a huge thing, guys. I can't tell you, even one person watches this video and can change this in their life, I'll be happy. I can't tell you how much I'll be happy. Okay, so please guys, if you feel that anybody else is also doing in your life like this, please share this video with them and please help them see the truth behind all that. One choice of yours of not handling your own money and you feeling that you are very irresponsible with money it's actually taking away your freedom. You don't have any freedom in your life, and most of the things in life you can't do without money, right? So please acknowledge that and please have your money. क्या होगा, आप कभी ज़्यादा खर्चा कर दोगे, 2-3 चीज़ों में ऐसा इन्वेस्ट कर दोगे जो काम नहीं आएगा, बट वो जो काम नहीं आया पैसा जहाँ इन्वेस्ट करके जो आपको लगा कि शायद ऐसे ही चला गया, वेस्ट हो गया पैसा, वो उस डिसीजन, उस चॉइस ने भी तो आपको अवेयरनेस दिया कि इन चीज़ों में अब दोबारा पैसे नहीं लगाने हैं. वो अवेयरनेस भी तो एक गिफ्ट है. So please have your money, take that responsibility and enjoy your freedom of having money. There's nothing like that, trust me. Just honor you by having your own earned money. And I would also like to mention especially women. So lot of wives, I come across a lot of wives, and also they also give every money to their husband. So even if they are making money or they are not making money, even if you are a housewife and you are not directly making money by doing any business or something, whatever you earn during the festivals, the relatives gives you money and all that, please keep that with yourself. Don't give away and don't give your husband to invest somewhere and enjoy the interest. And these are small amounts of money. You need money in your life. Sometimes there will be some emergency situations with you which you can't share with your husband even. You know that he will not understand, and that's a fact, by the way. Okay, nobody can understand you better than you. So if you don't want to go into those conflicts and giving reasons to your husband why you need your own money again back and all that stuff, please have your money. You never know, any kind of emergency can show up, any kind of your life emergency or crisis can show up which that only you can handle, and yes, you will require to handle you will require money to handle that. So please have your money. Having money is not just about dealing with emergency hospital bills, it's also about creating your desired life, if you can understand what I mean to say. And this is something which I really wanted to talk, guys, because I know a lot of you in fact, you don't keep your money with yourself. Have a bank account, keep there, have a commitment from yourself that I will use my money and I'll have money. Okay, it's not always about investing into things and mutual funds and LICs and all that stuff. Yes, they are all important, but at the same time, when you have your own money, you are not entitled to answer anybody, give reasons to anybody. You are free to choose. The way freely you make money, you are actually free to choose and invest wherever you require your money. That's a different freedom altogether, guys. I really hope that whatever beyond my words is the energy, please sense it, what I'm trying to say, and this can really change your life. Trust me, this can really change your life. I have after seeing a lot of people having this reality, I was feeling grateful for my own choice, that wow, I was aware since long that अगर मैंने फर्स्ट डे ही अपने पेरेंट्स को पैसे दे दिए होते तो मैं जो इतना फ्रीली आज के डेट में खुद पर इन्वेस्ट कर पाती हूँ, और आई इन्वेस्ट ऑन अपग्रेडिंग माई सेल्फ, आई डू क्लासेस विच गिव्स मी मोर अवेयरनेस अबाउट लाइफ, एंड देन आई यूज दैट एंड लॉट ऑफ द कंटेंट फ्रॉम दैट आई ऑल्सो शेयर विथ यू guys as well through videos, and I consult today people. There was a time I was in depression and I was very close to committing suicide till this date, where I'm consulting people with the same issues and helping them out to come out of it by guiding them what they can choose and by offering them all the possibilities which they can choose, all whatever they require to change their life. Can you see that journey? It कभी पॉसिबल नहीं होता अगर, क्या आपको लगता है कि मैं अगर पेरेंट्स को जाकर ये बोलती कि मुझे एक एम्पावरमेंट का क्लास करना है? सी, आई टेल यू वेरी ऑनेस्टली, एंड दिस इज अ ब्लंट ऑनेस्टी विच आई विल बी शेयरिंग विथ यू, दैट फॉर मैरिज पेरेंट्स हैव मनी. For when you will get hospitalized from somewhere all the money will come, even if you don't have money to eat at your home. And for every other thing which people find logic, they will have money, but every other thing which they don't understand, they feel it's a waste of money. But क्या सच में ऐसा है? Because your parents, or maybe husband, your wife, or maybe any of your elder one in your family, or anybody who is watching your finances and all the managing your money, if they don't get it, क्या ऐसा है कि वो चीज झूठ है? You know what will work for you, and when you have your own money, nothing like that. You can use your money to upgrade your life. You can use, आपको एक कपड़ा भी खरीदना है तो आप जाके उसको खरीद सकते हो. You don't have to give so much of reason. Have you imagined how suffering your life is if you are choosing? See, it's just a choice. It's just a choice. My parents were expecting, they were even little upset also when I didn't give them the money, my first money, because I earned it first. That was my first earning. I wanted to keep it with myself, and that's totally fine. There is nothing wrong about it. Yes, I gave 1,000 rupees to each of them just as a honor, or whatever you can say, that they are my parents and I just gave that, but rest I kept it with myself. My father was expecting that I will give the money to him and he will give me whenever is required, because I can't handle my finances. Is this something which is a part of conscious parenting? This way you will only make your kids hate money, and they can never become responsible with money if you want them to be responsible. This is not the way, by the way. This will create just the opposite results. So please get this was all about this video. I can't stop talking about this topic because this is such an intense topic, and if you have any questions, and if you are going through anything in your life and you want a personal consultation, you want to book a personal consultation, 101 or live, I do both. Please feel free, and trust me, it's a bliss when you get that clarity what exactly is creating that difficulty, or stealing away your freedom. Sometimes we only give away our freedom just the way we give our money to somebody else to handle. That is also giving away your freedom. So don't give away your freedom, otherwise you'll hate yourself and hate creating money as well. So this was all about this video. I really hope this was helpful. You can check out my other videos in the series where it's a lifestyle empowerment series, where you'll find other related videos and relatable videos. And you can also follow me on my Instagram handle. Oh my god, this video was so intense, I can't get over it now. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram handle as well, where I share a lot of my work, fashion, beauty, makeup, empowerment related stuffs, and all the upcoming whatever workshops I take and whatever I do, it's all updated on my stories. So please don't forget to check out my stories and my highlight sections as well. So this was all about this video, guys. have your own money, take that responsibility, and be more aware and invest in yourself. There is no such investment which can guarantee you success than investing in yourself. Invest in yourself, have the patience, and I can give you words because I have seen my life changing. Nothing can change your life than investing in yourself. And if you want any kind of guidance in terms of where to invest, how much to invest and what you should do to change whatever you're going through in your life, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below, or you can also DM me on my Instagram. I will be more than happy to help you and guide you with no matter what you're going through. Everything can be changed and it is possible.